Scanning assigns lot and serial linkage for downstream quality control.
Projection on this battery pack, it's failing the gauge.
Understood. I'll update the report now.
Only approved materials are released to protect the assembly line from defects. Kitting ensures the correct parts arrive together at each assembly station.
The fixtures are good to go. All right, let's power up the line.
Calibrated tools ensure fasteners meet safety and durability requirements.
Clear parameters align operators with the approved build standard.
That's good.
The first unit validates that the line setup produces a compliant product.
The line clearance is complete, Supervisor. All checks passed.
A controlled start confirms readiness for steady production. Controlled insertion protects motor performance and noise characteristics. Keyed connectors ensure correct electrical connections every time. Early electrical testing confirms circuits before enclosure closure. Recorded torque data supports traceability and long-term reliability. Proper sealing maintains airflow efficiency and dust containment. Controlled closure ensures structural integrity and consistent fit. Automated checks confirm all fasteners are correctly installed. Correct filter installation protects the motor and maintained air quality. Sensor checks prevent operation without a filter installed.
Secure battery installation ensures reliable power delivery.
Retention testing confirms the battery will not loosen in use.
The display and sensor provide real-time feedback during cleaning.
Proper alignment ensures accurate dust detection visualization.
Initial power-up verifies basic electrical integrity. Spin tests confirm motor health before full assembly completion. NVH checks ensure comfortable and safe user operation. Non-conforming units are isolated for controlled rework.
Controlled rework addresses specific faults without affecting compliant units. Retesting confirms the fix meets the original acceptance criteria. Approved units are released back into standard production.
Final trims complete the product's external form.
Visual inspection ensures the product meets appearance standards.
Permanent serial marking enables life cycle traceability. End-of-line testing confirms full product performance. Safety tests verify electrical insulation and grounding.
A short rest period stabilizes components after testing.
Bagging protects the product during transport and storage. Marrying accessories with the unit ensures a complete package. Automated checks confirm nothing is missing before boxing.
Consistent cartons provide structural protection during shipping.
Documentation ensures correct product use and compliance. Sealed cartons protect contents through logistics. Weight verification confirms full contents inside the carton.
Automated palletizing ensures stable and repeatable load patterns.
Wrapping stabilizes the load for safe transport.
Pallet labels link finished goods to shipping documentation.
Finished pallets are transferred into controlled storage areas.
Racked storage optimizes space and inventory control. System updates provide real-time visibility of finished goods.
Documentation ensures correct and compliant shipment.
That pallet for door 4 needs to move now. We're running behind schedule.
Seals protect shipment integrity until delivery.
Packaging waste is segregated for recycling.
Baled cardboard is prepared for licensed recycling partners. Compaction reduces volume for efficient recycling transport. Residual waste is stored securely for licensed disposal.
A stable line reflects controlled processes from receiving to shipping.
Approved units rejoin standard production without delay.
Regular reviews ensure performance targets are maintained.
Consolidated data provides a complete quality record for each unit.
Tension samples support future quality investigations. Clear handovers maintain continuity across production shifts.
Final verification confirms the unit is fully approved for shipment.
System release authorizes pallets for outbound delivery.
Scheduling aligns finished goods with transport availability.
Balanced loading improves transport safety and efficiency.
Dispatch marks the physical departure of finished goods.
An orderly warehouse supports safe and efficient operations.
Strapping secure? Labels visible?
Yes, confirmed. UN numbers match.
Okay, log in the record now.
Reusable packaging is circulated back to receiving to reduce waste. Closed-loop packaging supports sustainable operations.